Hey guys, it's Laura and it's time for Cardio Dance Blast. Are you ready to have fun and move your body to the music? We'll be going through 10 different basic cardio combinations, right and left, and combining them all at the end twice. Easy movements that I'll be showing modifications for intensity and impact throughout. Are you ready to get warmed up? Let's go. Let's get warmed up. Step touch, just side to side. We'll do a quick warm up and then we're going to start our first combination. So give me a grapevine. Good, 2 more. Now add a curl on the end here, 1 curl. Now step knee, I'm going to keep it real simple. Reach and pull. And leg swing, so just reach. A little stretch for the hamstring. Now grapevine, 1 curl, just again. 2 more. Step knee. Just remember, you can always do low impact on any of these movements, okay? Leg swing, reach. A little bend in the knee. Squat, then squat. Slide the foot in. Let's do it one more time. Grapevine, 1 curl. 2 more. Step knee. 2 more. Leg swing. See, easy peasy. 2 more. Squat, squat. Last 2. Okay, hold it center, give me a squat, and round release your back. Come up, give me that hip hinge. I'm gonna put my hands behind the head, but feel free to have your hands down. Shift those hips back. Hamstring stretch, okay? Center up, take the arms out in a big circle. Okay, so we're gonna start on the first combination. I'm gonna break each one down. Mambo to the front, to the side, 4 jogs, 2 jacks. Other way, mambo. 4 jogs, 2 jacks. That's your low option. I'm gonna make it bigger. So jack, jack, mambo. Jog, jack and reach. You don't have to add the reach. Switch sides. Jog, jack, reach. Mambo other side. Make sure you're switching leads. Jog, jack, reach. 2 more times each way. Jog, jack, other way. Jog, jack, 1 more time each way. Jog it out. Jack, you ready to move on? 1 more. Okay, listen. Start with this heel, 3 heels, slide across, double hop, then reach out 4 times. Now this heel, 3 times. 1, 2, 3, slide, double hop, reach out. Okay, 4 more each way. Slide, double hop. Heel, slide, double hop, reach out. Heel again. Reach out. Inside heel. Reach out. How you doing? You getting warm? 2 more each way. Reach out. 3 heels. Reach out. 1 more time each way. Slide. Last one going that way. All right, moving on. So we got a little staggered ski move. And then jack. Shuffle or 2 steps. Now switch on the ski. Forward, in, jack, shuffle. Okay, easy, right? So you can tap And then 2 steps. Okay? Tap, side, shuffle. So easy to keep, low impact. Other side. Shuffle. Ski. Other way. Now if you go the wrong way, who cares, right? Let it go, let it go. Have fun with it. Shuffle. One more. Then we're moving on. Shuffle. Other way. We're moving on. Okay, we're gonna make an X pattern. Forward, in, back in. 3 knees. I'm gonna alternate the knees. Now we go that way, X pattern. Forward, in, back, in. 3 knees, alternate. X pattern. This one's easy to keep, low impact. Reach, pull. X pattern. Use up the space you got. X. 3 knees, alternate. That way. 3 alternating knees. That's a mouthful. That way. 3 alternate. I'm gonna say 3 knees. That way. Too many syllables. 3 knees and I'm lazy. Okay, one more. Each way. 3 alternating. I said it. I felt bad. X, you're like, wow, that was fast. Listen. Woo. Give me a little quarter turn. And then leg curl. Double. This way. Leg curl. Single, single, then a double. Quarter. Side. Front. Side. Front. Leg curl, then a double curl. This way. Single, single, double. This leg. Leg curl. Quarter turn. Front, side, front, side. Easy to keep low. One more each way. Single, single, double. One more. Single, single, double. Okay, chasse. Kick, chasse. It helps if I cue, doesn't it? Knee, kick back, knee. Chasse. Knee, kick back, knee. Chasse. Side, triple, side, triple. Knee, kick back, knee. This leg, chasse. Use your arms. Knee, kick back, knee. Chasse. Can you make it bigger? Do you even want to? Knee, kick back, knee. Doesn't have to be hard. Chasse, just have fun. Knee, kick back, knee. Chasse. Knee, kick back, knee. This side. One more time each way. Chasse. Knee, kick back, knee. Chasse. This is the last one. Knee, kick back, knee. Okay, give me 3 knees. And then a little march forward and back. And then out and in. 3 knees. I'm going to change all of this. But you can keep it like this. Front, back, out and in. Keep it just like that. 3 knees. I'm going to go knee, tap, 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 knee, forward, back, out, in, quick. Knee, tap, 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 knee, forward, back, out, and in, quick. 1, 2, 3, knee, forward, back, out, in. Forward, back, out, in. Forward, back, out, in. Make sure you're switching leads. Forward, back, out, in. One more each way. Forward, back. Out, in. One more. Forward. Listen. Pony. Hold it center and reach the arms up. Pony that way, or triple step. 1, 2, 3. Reach up. Up. 2, 3. This way, pony. Now I'm old, so I call it pony. Reach up. But I wasn't born in the 60s. Okay? Just make sure we're clear on that. Reach up. Nothing wrong with that if you were. That way. 1, 2, 3. Reach up. So it could be low. Reach up. You could be grounded on the floor. One more each way. Reach up. Last time that way. Reach up. Okay, this was a little tricky. I'm going to go tap, side, back, knee, jog. I'm going to slide up to you. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Front, side, back, knee. Slide up with that leg. Triple step back. Oh. Slide up. Triple step back. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's probably the trickiest one. Up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Up. Slide up. Turn in. Slide up. How are you doing? 2 more. 1, 2, 3, knee. You didn't see that. You didn't see it. Slide up. Triple step back. One more each way for good luck. Come up and back. Last one. I was showing you the low there. That's what I was trying to do. Okay, squat side to side. Alternating V-step. Give me a cabbage patch arm. Squat. Scoop the water. V. Out and around. Out and around. Easy. V. Other way. Squat. Come on, get down on the legs. V. Squat. If you pick the wrong leg, it doesn't matter. V. Just alternate. Squat. V. One more time each way, right? Squat. V. Last time this way. V. March it out. We're putting it all together from the top, one after another. Remember, we do it both sides. We'll do it twice. 8, 7. You remember the first combo? It's a good thing I do. Mambo forward side. Ready? Go. Jog 4. 2 jacks, reach or not. Mambo other leg. Side. Jog. Jack, reach down. 3 heels. This heel. Slide, double hop. Reach out with the foot and the arm. Now the heel. Slide, double hop. Reach out. Here comes that staggered ski move. This leg. 2 jacks. Shuffle. Ski. Jack. Shuffle. Here comes the X pattern, okay? This side. 3 knee repeater, alternate. X pattern. 3 knees, alternate. Here comes your quarter turn. This leg. Single, single, double curl. Now this leg, quarter turn. How are you? Single, single, double. Chassé. Now knee, kick back, knee, repeater. This leg, chassé. Knee, kick back, knee. Repeater, tap. 1, 2, 3. Jog forward and back, out and in quick twice. Knee, 3 taps. 1, 2, 3. Forward and back, out and in. Pony. 4, 3, 2, reach up 4 times. Pony, I'm gonna make it bigger. Reach up. Okay, here comes that front side back with a knee. Ready? Front, side, back, knee. Slide up, triple step back. Other side, front, side, back, knee. Slide up. Squat to the side. Alternating V. Squat. We're gonna go through it all one more time and be done. V. Mambo, front then side. Jog, jack reach. Other way, mambo. Jog, jack. 3 heels, then slide. Reach out and in. 4, 3, 3 heels, slide. Double hop, reach out. Here comes the staggered ski. 2 jacks, shuffle. You can reach up if you want or do 2 steps. Ski, shuffle. X pattern. 3 alternating repeater. X pattern. 3 knees. This leg, quarter turn. Single, single, double curl. This leg, quarter turn. Side. Single, single, double. Chassé. Now knee, kick back knee. Chassé. Knee, kick back knee. Okay. Knee, 3 taps. 1, 2, 3. Forward and back. Out and in quick. Knee, 3 taps. Tap, tap, tap. Front, back. Out and in quick. Pony. Reach up. Pony. Step, we're almost done. Okay, here comes the front, side, back. Front, side, back, knee up. Slide toward me. Triple step back. Front, side, back. Slide up. Triple back. Squat side to side. Last move. Now your V. Switch your lead. Squat. 4, 3, 2, V. Other way. March it out. Nice job. How'd you do? How's your pulse? Now, hopefully you've broken a sweat. You feel good. We're going to do a quick cool down. Very quick step touch. Remember, this workout is meant to just get in and out. Big inhale. Exhale. One more. Hold your feet wide, sway, lunge. Make sure you sit back into the hips. Don't let your knees jut out. 8 more. Last 4. Now slide that foot in so it's about hip width, round, release your back, just like the warm up. All the way up and give me that hip hinge. Shift your hips back, just releasing those hamstrings. 2 more. Now you can hold the stretch if you'd like. All the way up. One more big inhale. You did an awesome job. I hope you had fun. If you like this video, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.